How's everybody doing? This is Dave coming to you with the Insta360 Go 2 series. This camera just arrived today and I'm still trying it out. It is on professional. It is on professional mode. And I still need to see how well this is going to work. I keep looking over here because I'm looking at the iPhone. It is pretty wide. It looks almost as wide as maybe even as the same as the GoPro Hero 9 with the max lens. And it's true that I can twist it all the way around and the screen still stays the same. It's not bad. And I'm going to attach it to the magnet that's on my shirt. And it's supposed to be waterproof up to 4 meters. According to it, it's supposed to be 4 meters. There really isn't anything around here in the Austin area as deep as 4 meters other than Travis River in certain parts. Now Travis River is not that deep either, but Austin Lake is deep, but it's not very clear. But we're gonna try this out right here. Pretty much, we can go ahead and extend it this way, and I'm gonna go ahead and make it higher so that I can put it in a different position. Right there. This particular position is probably a little better. I'm not sure if you can still hear me, but it's something different. I know this one's transmitting. Okay. Yeah, the little blue light is blinking, so it is transmitting. I'm gonna dip my head underwater for a little bit while I'll be right back. It's real good. I just came out of the sauna. They just barely opened up the sauna a few days ago and making it available for us now to get in there and sweat our butts away. And that makes a big difference already. That makes the real difference of why I wanted to come to a Gold Gym. The jacuzzi is good, but the sauna is better. And the best one of all is the steam room. The steam room is still not available yet as of this date, which is April the 30th. Is it April the 30th? Yes, April the 30th. So, I'm going to stop it for here. This is a 360 video. I might end up reframing it. I might not. I might just leave it the way it is and allow it to come out with full 360. This is vlog mode now. This is no longer 360, but vlog mode only. And this is coming out of the GoPro Max. GoPro Max. What we have over here is the Insta360 Go 2. Oh, I'm I'm gonna turn this off for a little bit. Water. Well, put the remote inside the bag. The remote is not waterproof. It's the camera that's waterproof. It feels good to relax. The thing is that I didn't get enough sleep today, mainly because today I had my second vaccine, the COVID-19 vaccine. I want to make sure if the voice sounds okay even after putting it underwater. I want to see if everything is working fine. I'm really tired. Anyways, I think that's it for today. as far as trying it out. Because, really what I'm doing is I'm just doing the motion of putting it underwater, which is what I wanted, since I'm a water person. I want to thank you all for watching this video. I'm going to end it right now. There's nothing going on at the ranch. Watermelons are growing. The onions are still growing. And we need to concentrate on other things today. So I'll be seeing you all in another vlog. Thank you. Well, it is a wide angle. The only problem that I saw that's different on this camera is that when I attach it to my chest, you can't see anything below it. If this will be wide, is it wide angle between left and right wide? Because when I was getting my second vaccine, I noticed that half of my body all the way up to the roof could be seen, but not towards the ground, which means that I couldn't see anybody that was sitting down, or people were extremely left or right of me. That was kind of weird. But overall, it seems to be working fine. We'll see what happens anyway. So we're gonna be trying it out all these days. I'm gonna ignore all the other cameras for now. Just do the go-to for now. See how Final Cut Pro behaves with this type of hardware. So for now, I'm gonna go ahead and close it. They told me that the remote is not waterproof, so I gotta be careful not to dip this in water. And activate it. It's activated now. Insta360 claims that it is waterproof up to 3 meters or 14 feet or something like that. I'm gonna go ahead and put the remote back right here. Put it inside the bag, and let's not mess with that one right now. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go underwater. Now I don't want to take the Insta360 X2 underwater. Today, the 1X2 is gonna stay above the water. I'm gonna take the go-to underwater. I want to see what it does. I want to see if it's real clear underwater the way they claim it to be. I believe it's set up at 1440p at 30 frames per second. So I'm gonna go down and I'll be right back out. Well, if it is waterproof, we're gonna find out right here, and I'm gonna do a rewind. But I need to connect this back to its cradle. But before I can even do that, I need to dry it up. So I'm not gonna dry it up right now because I don't have a towel. I'm gonna leave it in the cap, or better yet, I brought that magnetic thing that goes on your chest. Where's the camera? So I think it's still transmitting. Yeah. So I'm gonna put it right here. supposed to hang on. Supposed to hang on there, so we'll see if it's true or not. And we're gonna go back underwater. No, I'm gonna take the cap off because I kept going underwater and kept trying to pull off.